Today's world is all about communication, and network service providers play an important role in everyone's life. With growing data traffic and evolving network technologies, the mobile communications sector should be growing as quickly as the demands from the users for the new interactive apps, social networks, and real-time media availability. At START Innovations, we facilitate digital transformation for mobile service providers with industry-leading advisory services and automation solutions, enabling network evolution towards 5G and SDN NFV technology. In a competitive environment with new aggressive players entering the market, voice ARPU decreases and growing subscriber demands for high-speed data, balancing profitability and increasing the revenue can be challenging. Operators must support legacy devices such as 2G and 3G handsets, make smart investments in modern optical and LTE advanced infrastructure, and roll out future-proof technologies such as SDN, NFV, and 5G. And service providers need to ensure that from the subscriber's perspective, the transition between technologies always remains seamless, with committed service levels and quality. New technology introduction, equipment vendor swaps, and even daily network adjustments are regarded as cumbersome exercises by network operations teams, requiring large amounts of highly skilled engineering labor, and ignoring these seems to be the most sensible approach, both technically and commercially. Not for a competitive world, though, where innovators are already benefiting from new technology deployments, cost-effective equipment vendors, and next-generation services. Modern Tier 1 networks have millions of devices, with hundreds and even thousands of parameters each, resulting in billions of variables that define the network behavior. As this number is way too large to be managed manually, even with hundreds of engineers, network operations usually concentrate on just a few parameters, leaving the rest as default or unknown values, as long as the network functions to some extent. This approach results in loss of traffic, unpredictable network behavior, security instability and vulnerability, and many more problems that degrade the quality of network services every day. And even if all signaling data for the entire network, including user plane and control plane, will be collected in a big data storage system, with the traditional operations approach, there is no guarantee that a problem found on the network today will not reappear tomorrow, even in the same device. But is the modern network technology really as tangled as it seems? There are only several subsystems in a network, a few vendors, and less than a handful of technologies. On a large Tier 1 network, there are typically several dozen different device types. As devices of each type are essentially the same, they should be configured in a standardized way, considering the latest available technologies and operators' best practices achieved through optimization, including latest tested software upgrades and patches applications to ensure stable device behavior, available licenses and features activated to enable high-speed data and the latest codecs and algorithms, essential synchronization including QoS and timers to decrease packet delays. Thanks to our innovative approach, the iOSS solution by START Innovations allows us to standardize all network devices according to device type, vendor, and operational mode, ensuring that all these devices are in their best configuration state, and categorizing equipment, for example, a network site located in a dense urban area, or next to a main road, or rural site, allows us to achieve the highest performance out of network devices. To enable network orchestration today, iOSS is capable of controlling cross-vendor and cross-domain settings and ships with equipment interfaces for over 20 major vendors out of the box, which collect network configurations automatically, maintaining an end-to-end network knowledge base as the system is used by the operator. As the networks are evolving towards virtualization, they are effectively becoming software code, increasing the dependency on configuration, such as software version, licenses, and patches configuration, which today can be controlled through iOSS, increasing network consistency and improving performance. Network optimization studies have demonstrated that in around 25% of cases, existing network capacity bottlenecks can be resolved by parametric optimization, and many of the large-scale accidents can be avoided with proactive parametric control. But after parametric optimization has been completed, human-prone errors during maintenance, swap activities, and upgrades degrade the service quality. Automatic control functionality implemented in iOSS ensures that high KPIs achieved through parametric optimization do not degrade over time. In a classic operations model, different network domains are managed by independent teams, and the radio, core, transport, and IP infrastructure are being configured separately, with minimum effort spent on cross-domain control, as this requires cross-functional communication that can take days to generate even a single report manually. iOSS changes that. An online report takes seconds to generate, revolutionizing an operations efficiency. Critical cross-domain parameters that define network behavior, such as the quality of service (QoS) setting that determines traffic prioritization for signaling information on a multi-vendor and multi-technology network, are so difficult to control on the entire network that many operators do not even try. With iOSS, information sharing and communications between engineering teams becomes automated, deploying transparent and efficient collaboration processes for all teams within the technical organization. Service Monitoring Center, regional teams, and the headquarters. With iOSS, network troubleshooting is performed on a proactive basis. Parameters are corrected before they affect quality of service. New network elements are automatically detected and controlled for best configuration state settings, and poorly performing network elements configurations can be easily checked against the top performers. Adaptive performance control in iOSS provides a clear view of network and specific device performance changes over time, alongside configuration changes information with drill up and drill down capabilities, dynamic and configurable thresholds, trending and historical data analysis. Flexible performance KPI-based alarming capabilities will ensure that any major problem will get escalated throughout the operations as soon as the problem is detected. In iOSS, network data is managed automatically, creating an automatic inventory system that tracks the entire history of device and parameter changes on the network, so you can know exactly how many devices and which configurations were installed at any time. iOSS enables innovation, as new technologies will be seamlessly integrated into the existing network in a controlled environment, ensuring the most efficient utilization of the orchestrated infrastructure and guaranteed quality of service for the subscribers, allowing network service providers to lead the industry in a modern, evolving, and competitive environment. To learn more on digital transformation, end-to-end orchestration, and breakthroughs in operations efficiency, contact START Innovations now and learn about cutting-edge advisory services, market-leading umbrella solutions, and technology consultancy to increase your leadership today.